Already done talked to her. You can't come in there after the day. You can't come in that kitchen.
Yes,
I run into that.
I could go in there.
I bet you can't.
I'm going to walk
I'll
right
show
in
you
there.
better than I
I'm
can
walking
tell
right
you.
in there.
You ain't no damn good.
I'm going right in there.
That lady needs some help in there.
She called me and said, "Where my boy? He ain't got here yet."
That's all right. I'd rather be her boy than to be yours. I ain't studying you.
You too full of mess, John.
I'll hug a maggot before I hug you again.
You full of mess. You so nasty, dirty.
I'm a nasty motherfucker. I don't want you no way.
Dirty. You're a dirty old man.
I don't want you no way.
It's dirty.
Shit. Play with dust or to get in your eyes.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna tell Judy about you.
Oh, she ain't gonna believe nothing because I already done loaded. And I didn't lie about nothing.
You're gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna tell you that.
I ain't in no trouble.
See, that's all you do is run around and do all kinds of stuff.
She already know. But one thing about me, I always be there on time. Fucking around with a trash like you.
She called and she said,
Fucking with trash and get in your
and you
eyes.
running late. Now where you at?
She ain't gonna find me and I know it. I ain't never did that before. Fucking with you, I never have a goddamn thing. A trash like you.
What you
Shit.
is?
I ain't trash. I ain't trash, baby.
Oh, what you is?
Play with trash, it'll damn sure get in your eyes.
Where it's in your
Shit.
eyes.
Shit. You ain't shit. I don't want you. I'm telling you right to your face. And don't give a damn who had. Respect to you, young lady.